Hello and welcome to ALeePlanning. My name is Ashley and today I'm creating a short video to respond to a message that I received this morning, and it was in regards to how to edit the classroom name tags that's available in my Etsy shop. So that's what I will be covering today, and hopefully this will help. So when you purchase, you will receive a PDF that has a link to a Canva template. After you click the link in the template, it will bring you to a view like this. This template has 5 designs. The clip art is locked, but the text can be changed. So to edit the text, simply just double click inside the name and type in the new name. So if you like to duplicate a certain design, you would just click the duplicate button. Then you would just do the same as before, double click the inside and edit the text. So the next step is completely up to you how you would like to proceed, but if you want to leave it as is, select PDF, CMYK option for the professional printing. I will have to warn you though, this will print all name tags as a separate page unless you tweak your printer setting. So the second option is to first save this as a PNG, and then you'll make a new document, and we'll do the size as 11 by 8.5 inches. So once you're in a new document, click Upload Files, and here you will upload the name tags. So with this second option, you will be able to fit 2 tags per sheet since it's a 10 by 3 inch. So the third option, if you want to add more than 2 per page and save some more paper, you can make the new document or another new document as an 8.5 by 11 inch, and the size of the name tags, you will have to adjust that to an 8.5 by 2.5 inch instead, and with this way you can put 4 name tags per page. So once you're done with your print sheet, you can save it as a PDF. You'll then print your name tags on cardstock paper, and then for longer use I would suggest laminating them. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and also supporting my small business. I greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing to my growing channel. I would love to have you. Have a great day, guys.